Alexa, okay Google, hey Siri, set a reminder to subscribe to Wrights Crispy on YouTube. Smart man, smart man. Human resources. This is for GA. I always forget to let it run a little bit. Are you going up?
Yeah.
No. Women's locker room. I hear a party going on in here. Oh no, it's over here. We're having a party. Who are these people with cameras?
Hi.
Hi.
Merry Christmas.
Hi, what can we help you with?
Spread some holiday cheer. Give us a cookie.
Yeah.
Okay, where do you guys work?
Not here, unfortunately. 'Cause
Oh.
if I did, I'd get a cookie, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
No, there's no cookies in there. What is it? What's going on? What can we do
No,
for
we're
you?
just doing a tour around the facility.
Yeah, we want to know what
We heard
internal
a party
services.
going on and thought we'd bounce in and say hello, spread some holiday cheer. Merry
Yeah.
Christmas.
Oh, okay. Well, no, I mean that's a staff issue, obviously, but
Okay.
do you guys? Do you have any business here? Do you?
Yes. No, we're conducting it right now.
This guy's got lice or something. That's sad.
He's creating the privacy he desires. That's good.
Okay.
It is good.
Are you guys looking for utilities or something, or?
Actually, I was curious.
I was looking for a babysitter for next weekend.
Okay.
What's internal services? Do you guys do procurement here?
Internal services, all kinds of different departments, but
Right.
I'd kind of rather that you not record me, so I hope you're not.
Oh, that's the whole
recording.
purpose. I am recording.
Okay, well.
It's obvious.
The thing is that you're not allowed to record somebody without their permission.
Oh, really?
So,
Oh my
right,
God, when did
that's
that
correct.
happen?
Right. Hey guys.
Actually, state of Florida, so it's audio. You can do video if you want, but you're
And
not
audio.
allowed to use the audio. So,
I beg to differ. Incorrect.
okay.
That went south quick. Happy holidays.
Again, you're not allowed to have the audio on, so.
Not only is it,
Yeah, it's a felony
am I
in the
allowed
state
it?
of Florida.
It is my right, and it's not a
It's
felony.
actually a felony in the state of Florida. to
Okay.
record someone without their permission.
Really?
But we'll- yes.
Well, if you have that case law, give it to Paris Hilton. She'd love it, because
Tell you what, I'll just contact the sheriff and they can
that's an incredible waste of resources. Don't do that. We're not criminals, ma'am. We're actually defending our rights. Your right. You know what? Nice terrazzo upstairs. This is beautiful. You know what? I was in and out, but since you're calling the sheriffs, purchasing. Here we go. Yes. Oh my gosh, this is exactly what I was looking for.
You're not allowed in there, so.
Yes, I am. I paid for this.
No, actually, you're not.
Okay, that says authorized personnel only.
Okay.
I'm not allowed in there.
Can you just please wait outside there, please?
No.
Okay.
What are they hiding in here?
Well, you're here. Okay, come on.
Hey.
Want to call somebody? No, go ahead. You can go into Arlene, right? Yes. I think it is, yeah. Which one is she? Go straight back to the left. Yeah. Uh-huh. Hey, can I help you?
Yes. Are you the purchasing receptionist here, or
I
yeah,
am
or
not. I am the program administrator for this floor. How can I help you?
I would like some public records, please. I'd just like to know. Do you guys do procurement for the entire county here?
We do.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. How many sheriff's deputies vehicles have you bought in 2018 or 2019 and
I
20?
can take down your information because you have to put in a public records request.
Right.
You
It's
have
exactly
to
how
go
I'm doing
ahead.
it.
Yeah,
And-
we can process
yeah.
a public record request for you.
Yes.
Okay.
And
but
we're
you
allowed to
can't-
do it. We're
you're
allowed
not, You're not allowed to record. Though.
Yes, it
No,
is my.
because no, you need to get you have to
Okay,
legally
please.
consent with police in order
Please.
for them
Legal consent
to
in
Please,
order to record
please,
them.
please
I
listen
don't give
to
you
the law.
permission to record.
Look, ladies,
Yeah.
I'm Captain Awesome.
Captain Awesome will explain it all.
I'm a grown man. I do what I want.
Oh, that's fine.
Very nice young
So
lady.
right now you're recording, which is against the law for you to record.
It is
someone who
not. That's what we're
specifically
trying to
tells you not
explain.
record.
It's our statutory right. And
exactly.
our
yeah.
our not only statutory,
Smith versus City of Cumming,
constitutional.
11th Circuit Court said that the citizen has a right to record the public employee in the course of their public duties. Now, why is that? Because the citizens employ the public servants to serve the public. So, can you imagine a job?
What is the purpose? What is the purpose?
I
of
told you I
Yeah,
want to know
that's
how many
exactly
deputies
what the
vehicles you
purpose is.
purchased in 2019. Write it down. Write down my email and send it to me. We'll be out of your hair.
Nope, you can put a public records request in. and
Denial
we'll
of
do that.
service. That's okay. I'll chalk it up as a denial of
Okay,
service.
we
You just
have a
jeopardized your
way.
county in a civil lawsuit.
Right, we have a way
That's
to
dumb.
request
It's
a,
really dumb.
we have a way to request.
She's taking my
public
request.
information. No, we have a public request
We have a
system.
way to do it. We, the people, have a way to do it, and it's statute 119-1 of Florida State Statutes. Look it up if you need to Google it. 119-1, and it says that anybody can come in
I
here.
would just, there's
Just
just,
go ahead. Provide your email, and I can go ahead and I can take it. and
RIGHTS,
I'm sorry. What was it?
rights, RIGHTS,
RIGHTS. Yes, sir.
Crispy, CRISPY,
Okay.
at boltactionnewsgroup.com.
These must be the higher paid employees. They're not freaking out.
BOLT
At Bolt Action.
Action.
Newsgroup.
newsgroup.com.
Oh.
And-
you want to know the sheriff's?
I want to know that lady's name, first of all.
The sheriff's vehicle.
Who is that person?
Sheriff's vehicles.
What's your name? Ma'am, you can't tell people what to do and not tell them who you are. Okay. You have no authority then.
Sheriff vehicles and what else?
¿Tú me entiendes, verdad? Okay.
But I can't speak. I'm not allowed to speak.
You're allowed to speak whatever language you
sheriff
want in this
vehicles and
country,
what else?
actually. That's another falsehood. You can speak whatever language you want. You're free to in this free country.
Sheriff vehicles and what else?
And the vehicle numbers.
Okay.
How many of them? And all the numbers.
Okay. And how many?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll put this into the system for you.
Excellent. Thank you. And
Okay.
what was your name?
My name is Chantal Sicard, and I'm the program administrator.
Thank you
for
very much,
Intelligence.
Chantel, for being excellent and professional.
welcome, sir.
This is exactly what we want. We want stars to shine and snowflakes to melt. I know you can.
Yeah. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, she's good. I know, hero. I know you're not hero of the day. I was being sarcastic.
I wasn't the one that asked.
We're not criminals, man.
I wasn't the one that asked. I'm not saying you're a criminal. I'm saying you're harassing her.
Are you, I'm not harassing her. I was putting in a public records request, and she took it very cordially. We just shook hands, and it was an excellent interaction. You'll see it. You'll see it.
I'm just saying.
Well, your perception is false, sir. She just told you that.
County Board of Commissioners here. There's got to be somebody that can
Snowflake?
behavior of the people in this office.
I know, right?
Have anybody?
He's telling me that you feel harassed.
My boss, so I can't really. I'm taking down the information. but-
What's your name?
All right, guys. Thank you.
Smart Alec. That's what I'm going to call you. What are you calling the cops? Are
I've
you?
already explained to you, it's
Wait.
not a public area. This
Did
is
you-
not a public area, and
Is
you're
it-
not allowed in here.
Is there
and I've already
a
explained this to
restricted access sign?
you. Yes, it is. Well,
Where?
no, it says employees only.
Where?
Okay, well, in any case, it says administration, and I've just
Right.
informed you that
And-
it's not.
Who put this up here? This is not a public area. Who sits here?
Not a public area. And we
Who's
already
assigned to those
told
seats?
you.
Who's assigned to these seats?
That's when we escort somebody
Okay.
to
Right.
actually be in here, but this is not a public area.
Okay, well,
So
I'll
this
leave.
side is controlled by.
Since she just told me and she's been respectful, I'll leave. You told me, I believe you.
We
You're
do
the
have
only
that one
honest
there
person
'cause
here.
we escort people
You're the only
in,
person
but this
being
one's not, okay? So, but. I mean,
cordial.
I can walk you guys down if you would like.
Happy holidays.
No, we're fine, we know how to do it.
That's really the only area that's a public area.
Yeah.
She's gotta be like the county administrator or something.
Yeah. We'll find out. That's what we do.
It's actually the assistant county administrator for internal services who sits on this side, but he's not in right now. So
Yeah.
that's why his light's off in his office.
Cool. Thank you very much.
Technically, it's supposed to be closed, but because we had meetings, they unlocked it. But that's really the only with the
Okay.
public area.
All right. And I agreed with your telling me that that's restricted. I believe you, and I got out of there.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
We don't break the law. We're defending it right now.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Denial of service. Asking for public records. Oh my gosh. I'm downstairs. They're locking people out.
They locked the doors?
Yeah, they're locking everything because we have a camera and ask for public records, and they're being very scared for no reason. Yep.
Oh, as long as I'm not on camera.
Do you work for the public? You do, don't you? Hi. They were made for walking. That's just what they do.
You are one of the most rude individuals I've ever seen in my life. I'm just telling you that.
How so?
It's me.
How is that?
Back to the staff meeting.
Silly. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Hey. Great. How are you, sir? Good thing you had a key card. Yeah, we were getting public records and we ran into a bunch of snowflakes, if you know what I mean. It's a blizzard. Yeah. They have more important things to do than fulfill the citizens' reasonable requests.
Yeah, they're playing board games at the
Yeah.
staff meeting, eating cookies.
That's why he said it sarcastically. Come back to the staff meeting.
Yeah.
Oh boy, this is fun. Shall we move on?
Yeah, let's go to the next building.
Yeah, you didn't leave anything around in here because we can't get back in. Once we're out, it's like a roach motel the opposite way.
Use the bathroom.
There you go.